I was supposed to research and create my own account within Google Classroom, make a fake class, and upload some assignments and kind of get more familiar with Google Classroom. So I created my class here, seventh grade band, and within my class, 7th grade band, obviously, I try to play around a little bit and learn, and I try to write a welcome message to all my 7th graders, like it was the first day of school. Then I try to upload a lot of PDFs, and I found out that there's several places you can find it. You can either click classwork, if I remember right. So you have like a list of things in the stream. They're just listed like this. So all the PDFs are here, and they need that for the assignments later. So they kind of pick the instrument they play, and they open up the PDF for some information about their instrument. And it says here like the daily care. This is part of the assignment. Like read about the daily care, daily cleaning, weekly cleaning, every 4 months, and so forth. So this is where they find the information that they need. And then I created an assignment. Let's see, go to instructions here. And it says find the post that has all the instrument care and fingering chart. Find your instrument. Read about how to care for your instrument and how to clean it. Make a video where you demonstrate that you know how to take care of your instrument. The video should show 1, what to do after each time you play on it. 2, the weekly care. 3, the monthly care, and so forth. And then make a video of you cleaning your instrument in different ways, and then upload it to Google Classroom. Of course, what's hard in these that I haven't found is to see how the students see it, and if they can easily get to like some sort of a recording app and upload, so that's what I find hard. And I see that there's tons of different apps that you can use and incorporate, which is like really nice. So it would be nice if one was just like make a video, make a video to answer this. Anyway, I also created a rubric, played around with that a little bit. So it's a total of 80 points, and it's 20 points for each step, if you like. So every time you play is 20 points, weekly is 20 points, and so forth. That was really easy to make a rubric. And then, of course, if I click the student work, I guess that's where I would see the students who have answered and uploaded there. But since I don't have any real students in here, I don't know how that would look and how easy it will be to grade it. And of course, if you grade it in, I'm just assuming that if you grade it in Google Classroom, you then afterwards have to move the grades over to whatever the school is using to track points and grades. So I don't think those two are linked together necessarily, unless the school uses Google's Classroom as the official grade thing. But it was fairly easy to get started. It's so far I went, it's free. It's smooth. It's nice. It's easy to do stuff. I wish that I found a way where I could click student view, or like how does the student see it. That'd be really nice. And how this whole grade thing would work would also be nice. But I kind of liked it. It seems like it's easy to incorporate a lot of different types of applications, and upload my own videos and do things like that. So that was nice. So that was my little learn and tell, show and tell about Google Classroom.